Very good morning. Say here, I'm starting the session. Listen, please close the door. So, in the previous session, very clearly we discussed about string functions. All string functions are over. So, you know very clearly about string functions. Next, pay attention, listen carefully here. If you don't listen, you cannot understand this. I'm talking about conversion functions now. These conversion functions are used to convert the data from one type to another. If we want to convert the data from one type to another, we use these conversion functions. So conversion functions are used to convert the data from one type to another. There are two types of conversions. There are two types of conversions. They are, first one is implicit conversion. First one is implicit conversion, and second one is explicit conversion. One is implicit conversion, another one is explicit conversion. Implicit conversion means, okay, this conversion will be done by the Oracle implicitly. So if the conversion is done by the Oracle implicitly, we are calling that as implicit conversion. Explicit conversion means if conversion is done by this conversion will be, explicit conversion will be done by the built-in function. So this conversion will be done by the built-in function. So if the conversion is done by the built-in function, we call that as the explicit conversion. If the conversion is done implicitly by the Oracle, we are calling that as the implicit conversion. See, for example, we are writing like this. Select 100 plus 200 from dual we are writing. What is the result of this one? 300. For example, 100 string I am giving. In the single quotes we are specifying means what? String. 100 is the string now. Plus 200 I am giving as the string now. Okay. If 100 number, 200 number, if it gives that printed 300. Now here 100 string plus 200 string we are giving. What it gives now? What it gives now? What it gives now? Okay, in some programming languages it gives like this, like Java, but here this is not Java, this is Oracle. Here implicit conversion will be taken place. Now also it gives result as 300. This is called implicit conversion. Here 100 is which type? 100 is which type? String type. The string type will be converted to the number type. Here 200 is which type? String type. The string type will be converted to the number type implicitly. So this kind of conversion we are calling as the implicit conversion. So implicitly the string converted to the number and the string converted to the number. So for implicit conversion, they have written some programs. Those programs will get executed. So this is called implicit conversion. So Oracle supports to implicit conversion. For example, we want to display the employee record whose employee number is 7521. We want to display the employee record whose employee number is 7521. So what we write here, select star from EMP where employee number equals to 7521. What it will display now? What it will display now? 7521 employee record will be displayed. Now here 7521 which type? Number type. For example, I am specifying 7521 in the single quotes. Now what, this one is which type now? String type. Now what it will display? Now also it displays 7521 record only. Okay, so what is happening here? The 7521 we are giving as a string type. Implicitly the string is converted to the number. So this conversion we are calling as implicit conversion. So implicit conversion is happening here. So string converted to the number and displaying 7521 employees record. Okay, observe here. Let me show it practically. Observe, I'm opening SQL Plus. Okay, our batch schema is C # Oracle 9 AM and password is Naresh IT. Setting page size as 200 and line size as 200. Now clearing the screen. Observe carefully here. Select 100 plus 200 from dual I'm writing. Now here 100 is which type? 200 is which type? Number. Okay. So what it is giving here? Observe 300 it is giving. So can we apply plus operator on numbers? Yes. For example, I am writing like this. Select 100 I am giving in the single quotes plus 200 I am giving in the single quotes. Now 100 is which type? String type. The single quotes we are giving in string. And 200 is which type? String type. So if we write like this, what it will give now? Now also it will give 300 only. In some programming languages like Java, that concatenates. There plus is the concatenation operator. In the Java, plus is the concatenation operator that gives 100, 200. But here in PL/SQL, sorry, in SQL, implicit conversion will be taken place here. So here, observe, this 100 is the string type. This string will be converted into the number 100. Now this 100 is the number. And this 200 is the string type. The string will be converted into the number 200 number. So 100 plus 200 will be calculated. It gives result as 300 number. So here string converted to the number, 100 string converted to the number, 200 string converted to the number. This kind of conversion we are calling as the implicit conversion. So to convert string to the number implicitly, Oracle used some program. Oracle developers had written some programs for implicit conversion. So that's why implicit conversion had taken place here. For example, one more example I'm giving. I want to display the employee records whose employee number is 7521. That is our requirement. So what we are writing here, select star from EMP where employee number equals to 7521 I am giving. What it will display now? Sorry, 7521 maybe record is not there. 7369 I am giving. Yes. What it is giving? 7369 record it is giving. Observe here. 7369 record it is giving. Okay. Here 7369 which type? Number type. For example, the same 7369 I am giving in the single quotes. Now this one is which type now? String type. Okay. So then also it displays, even if you are giving number as string, then also it is displaying 7369 record. Observe here. Is it giving 7369 record or not? Even if you are giving number as a string, it is giving record. Why? Because implicit conversion has taken place here. The 7369 string converted to the number and comparing with the employee numbers here. So Oracle SQL supports to implicit conversion, but Oracle company is suggesting that even if implicit conversion is occurring, don't depend on implicit conversion. Always do explicit conversion only. Don't depend on implicit conversion. They're suggesting like this because in future versions we may change the programs of implicit conversion, or we may remove them. At the time implicit conversion will not take in place if they remove the programs. So that's why they are suggesting that don't depend on implicit conversion. Always do explicit conversion. So for explicit conversion we use following functions. So following functions are used for explicit conversion. So functions are, first one is toChar function, second one is toDate function, and third one is toNumber function. Okay, so toChar, toDate, toNumber. So these are the three important conversion functions which are used for explicit conversion. So listen carefully here. Listen, there are three types of data is there. One is date type data is there. Another one is character type data, string. Character type data is there. Character type data means string. And another one is number type data is there. So three types of data is there. Okay, listen carefully. Just a minute, please wait. So one is date type data, another one is the char type data, and another one is number type data. So three types of data is there. If our requirement is very simple, if our requirement is converting date value to the string, which function we have to use? Which function we have to use? toChar. If our requirement is converting number to the string, then also which function we have to use? toChar. toChar function can be used for two purposes: to convert date to the string or number to the string. And next, one more. For example, sometimes our requirement will be like this. We want to convert string to the date. To convert string to the date, which function we have to use? toDate function. Sometimes we want to convert string to the number. Which function we have to use? toNumber. toNumber function. So that's it. By seeing this, you can understand conversion functions. So three types of data is there. Four types of conversions are there. Three types of data is there. Four types of conversions are there. Date type, char type, number type. Three types of data is there. We are converting date to the character conversion. We are converting number to the character conversion. Okay, if you want to convert date to the string or number to the string, use toChar. If you want to convert char to the date, toDate. If you want to convert char to the number, toNumber. That's it. So these are the conversion functions. Okay. Okay, Swapnil, my explanation is not over. After my explanation, you will get clarity. Listen. See. So total three conversion functions are there: to char, to date, to number. The names are giving the meanings here. By using to char function, we can convert date to the character or number to the character. If you want to convert character to the date, to date. If you want to convert character to the number, to number. The names are giving the meanings here. So first we are focusing on, now we are focusing on to char, and in the to char we are focusing on converting date to string. Only this part only we are discussing. We want to convert date value to the string value. Converting date value to the string. This is our requirement. So this to char function is used to convert date value to string value. So to convert date value to string value, we are using this to char function. So why we need to convert like that, sir? Because what is the default date format here? Default date format in Oracle is DD -MON RR. So DD means date 2 digits, MON means month name 3 characters, short month name, RR means year 2 digits. For example, 23rd. Okay, if that is April, 23rd April. Okay, 22 means 23rd April 2022. This is the default format. But our requirement is, observe here, see here, employee hire date column is there. Employee number, e-name, hire date column is there from EMP. Now, observe the hire date values here. This is the default Oracle format. This is what DD -MON -RR. This is the default date format. Default date format is DD MON RR. But we don't want to get like this. We want to get in US date format. We want to get these date values in US date format. So observe here, below US date format is there in the windows. First we write month. Okay, then we write date, then we write year. So if 17 December 80 is there, first write month 12, then write date 17, then 1980. In this format I want to display. Now this hire date is which type? Date type. So we need to convert this date type to the string type and display like this. So in such type of situations, if you want to get date values in US date format or India date format, at that time this to char function is very, very helpful. Once again I'm repeating, listen here, date values are there. These date values are in which format? DD -MON RR format is there. I don't want to get like this same hire date values. I want to get in US date format. That is our requirement. So if 17 December 80 is there, we want to get like this 12/17/1980. Here February 2081 is there. February means second month. Second month 1981. Okay, here 2nd April is there. April means fourth month. Fourth month, 2nd 1981. Like this we want to get in US date format. To convert the date formats, which function we have to use now? To char. Using to char, it is possible. Now, tomorrow your boss is asking, he wants date in India's date format. Hire date values he want in India's date format. India date format means DD YY in this format. Okay, so 17/12/1980. Okay, 20 February means 2/1981. Like this in India date format we want to get. In such type of situations, which function is useful? To char function is useful. Okay. So using this, we can get the date formats. We can change change the formats. So using this function, using this values in different formats. It's like US date. Okay, US date format is a member.
Recording in
Get date
progress.
values in different formats, like in US date format or in India date format. If you want to get like that, we have to use which function? To-char function we have to use. That's it. Now, see the syntax of this to-char function. Observe carefully here. See, see here. Observe the syntax of to-char function is to-char of specify one date value here. Specify one date value. Then here specify the format. Specify the format. Specify the format. And specifying this format is optional, not compulsory. Now see number of examples on it. Observe. See, for example, we are writing like this. See, 17 December 2019. From this date or otherwise. So here, first one is date, second one is what? Format. Okay, so which formats we use first we have to know. Which formats we use first we have to know this one. Formats we have to know. So to know the formats, see, I'm typing one table here. Format. Its purpose or example we write. Its purpose or example we write, and its output, its result we write here. So there are different formats are there. Listen, there are different formats are there, like YYYY. This is one format. From the date value, if you want to get only year value 4 digits, write YYYY. Next, YYY means in the year last 3 digits it will give. YY means year 2 digits it will give. Y means last 1 digit it will give. Year means it gives year in the form of words. The words it will give. 2022 words it will give. Okay. So you can write in capital or small letters, no problem. Observe. I'm giving examples here. See, just a minute. So for example, we are writing like this, to-char of today's date. How can we get today's date? How can we get today's date? Please confirm. How can we get today's date? This is date from dual. Okay. So what is today's date? 23rd May 2022. So from today's date, I want to capture year 4 digits. So what is the format we have to write here? YYYY. Okay. So today's date is what? 23rd May 2022. So year 4 digits it will give 2022. So when you get the doubt, here two digits are there, is it 1900s year or 2000s year? When you are getting this doubt, extract the year four digits, you will get clarity. So year four digits it is giving. For example, year last three digits only I want to get. What we have tried? To care of sys date, comma, y. Specify format in the single quotes. Now what it will give now? Last three digits, what it will give? 022. Okay. Now next, we are writing like this. To care of sys date, comma, y we are giving. What it will give now? 22 it will give. Okay. So this one rarely we use. Okay. Single y means last one will give 2. If you are writing to care of year here, if you write to care of year here, okay, what it will give now? 2022. 2022 it will give. 2022 it will give. For example, the same thing we are writing like this. Instead of using small letter format, we are writing capital letter format here. Instead of writing small letter format, we are giving capital letter format. Now it displays 2022 in capital letters. It displays 2022 in capital letters. So if you want to get the result, if you want to get this year value in capital letters, okay, use capital year format. If you use small year format, it gives result in small letters. So these are the 5 year related formats. Is it clear? Okay, let me show it. Select to care from the sys date. We want to get only year value 4 digits. So what we are writing here? Y from dual. See here what it is displaying? Year 4 digits. Year 4 digits it is displaying. Okay, one more time we are running. We are giving y. It gives year 3 digits 022. Okay, I am giving only 2 y's here. So last 2 digits it is giving 22. I am giving only 1 y here. Last digit it is giving 2. I am giving year in small letters. I am giving year in small letters. It is displaying 2022 in small letters. Observe 2022 in small letters. Okay. Next year I am giving in capital letters. It returns 2022 in capital letters. Observe here 2022 it is returning in capital letters. Is it clear? Five formats year related. Next, day related, or sorry, month related. Means month 2 digits. MON means short weekday name. Okay, month full weekday name. You can give in capital letters also, month, like this. Okay, so for example, we are writing like this: to care of from today's date, we want to get only month 2 digits. So what we have tried here? Okay, so current month is May. What it returns now? 05. 05 it returns. So to care of sys date, comma, MON we are writing. MON means, now what it returns now? Short week, short month name. Okay, MON capital letters we can write, small letters also we can write. Okay, so if you write capital letters, it gives May in capital letters. It gives May in capital letters. MON. So M1 means it gives May in capital letters. Okay, if January, what it will give? JN. Short weekday name. Sorry, short month name. Okay, February means what it will give? FEB. March means MAR, like that. So MON returns only short month name. Okay, because of May has only 3 characters. So 3 characters it is giving. You cannot understand. That's why I'm writing here. So it returns short month name. If that is January, JN, February, FEB, like this. Okay, next to care of sys date, comma, month I am writing, month. If you write like this, what it gives now? Full month name. Full month name in small letters. Okay, to care of sys date, sorry, comma, month I'm giving in capital letters. Okay, now what it returns now? Month name it returns in capital letters. Full month name it gives. Okay, if that is January, it completely returns January like this. Full month name. Full month name will be displayed. If February, complete full month name February will be displayed. These are the month related formats. Observe here. See, select to care of sys date, to care of sys date, comma, I am giving here, from dual. Okay, this one is fifth month, so 05 it is giving. Observe here what it is giving. See, 05 it is giving. Next, for example, I am giving mon here. Mon I am giving. What it gives now? May. May. Short week, short month name it gives. Okay, so mon I am giving in capital letters. In capital letters it returns the result. Okay, next month we are giving. Okay, full month name it gives in capital letters. If you give small letters, in small letters it returns the value. In small letters it is returning the value. So these are the month related formats. Next, day related. Listen carefully. Now you know year related, month related. Next, day related. DD means it gives day number in the month. It gives day number in the month. Okay, observe carefully. Next, DDD is there. It gives day number in the year. Next, only day is there. It gives day number in the week. Gives day number in the week. Okay, DY is there. Gives short weekday name. Short weekday name. Okay, or you can use DY or capital DY also. Capital DY also we can use. Okay, next, day or capital day also we can write. It gives full weekday name. Okay, these are the 5 day related formats. D means gives day number in the month. Okay, observe here. For example, we are writing like this. We are writing to care of sys date, to care of sys date, comma, DD we are giving. In this month, this is May month, today's date is what? 23. 23 it is giving. In this month, today is the 23rd day. Okay, next, DDD means it gives day number in the year. In 1 year, how many days will be there? 365 days. Okay, so if you take January calendar here, this is the January 1st is the first day in this year. Okay, so like that, this 31st is the 31st January is the 31st day in the year. Is February 1st is the 32nd day in the year. This is 33rd day, 34th day, 35th day. Like now, current month is May. This May 23rd day number in the year we want. So at that time we write like this: to care of okay, D sys date, DDD, like this we write. Okay, maybe 140 plus day will come. Let me check. So sys date of, we are giving dd here. We are giving dd. dd means what it will give? Day number in the month. Day 2 digits. Today is 23rd day. 23 it will give. What it is giving? Observe here. 23. Today is the 23rd day in this month. 23 it is giving. Okay. For example, we are writing DDD means it gives day number in the year. Okay. So today is 143rd day. Today is 143rd day in the year. Okay. So it is giving 143. Next, D. D means it gives day number. It gives day number, sys date, comma, D. It gives day number in the week. It is giving one means. It is giving one means Sunday. One means what? Sunday. Two means what? Monday. One means Sunday. Two means what? Monday. Okay. Three means Tuesday. Like that up to Saturday. Seven means Saturday. Okay. Today is Monday, right? Today is Monday. So what it returns now? Two. Two it returns. So two it returns. Next, dy. dy means to care of sysdate, comma, dy we are writing. Or you can also write capital dy. So this one returns, small dy returns. Small dy returns, Monday means MON. Okay, capital dy returns, capital MON. So short weekday name it is giving. Next, to care of sysdate, comma, day. Day means full weekday name it will give. Okay, or you can also write capital, capital day. Now here it gives full weekday name. Small day small letters day means it is giving Monday in small letters. So capital letter day means it is giving Monday in capital letters. Okay, that's it. These are the date related. Observe, let me show these 5 formats. So just now we have seen DD means it is giving day number in the month. DDD means it is giving day number in the year. Okay, next, D means it is giving day number in the week. In this week, what is the day number? So today is the second day in this week. Sunday is the first day. Monday is the second day. So it gives 2 here. It gives 2. Okay, observe, it is giving 2. 2 means Monday. Okay, next, for example, we are writing dy here. Dy means what it gives? MON. MON it gives. See here, MON it is giving. Okay, next, dy I'm writing in capital letters. What it is giving? Okay, MON in short weekday name. Short weekday name. Next, DAY, full weekday name. It is giving in capital letters. Observe, Monday. Monday, full weekday name it is giving. To get full weekday name, write day. To get short weekday name, dy. Okay, to get weekday number, day. Weekday related 3 are there. D means weekday number, 1 means Sunday, 2 means Monday, like that. Okay, dy means short weekday name, day means full weekday name. Okay, dd means day number in the month, ddd means day number in the year, d means day number in this week. Is it clear? So these are the day related 5 formats. So now you know day related 5 formats, year related 5 formats, month related 3 formats, total 13 formats you know. Apart from these, some more formats are there. Q. Q means it gives quarter number. Quarter number. So 1 year can be divided into 4 quarters. 1 year can be divided into 4 quarters. Quarter number one means January to 3 months. January, February, March. January to March, quarter one. Okay. Next, quarter two. Quarter two. April, May, June. Okay. Next, quarter three. July, August, September. So July to September. Next, quarter number four, October to December. So like this, 1 year can be divided into 4 quarters. For every quarter, 3 months. So current month is what? May. May falls under which quarter? Second quarter. May falls under second quarter. So if we write like this, if we write 2 care of sys date, comma Q means, comma Q means what it returns now? Returns 2. 2 means second quarter. So current month May falls under second quarter. Next, CC means gives century number. CC means gives century number. So current century number is what? 21st century. Okay, so current century is 21st century. So CC means what it gives now? 21st century. 1900s means 20th century. 2000 years means 21st century. Now we are in the 21st century. So 21 it returns. So current century is 21st century. So if you want AD or BC, we write AD or BC only. You can write AD or you can write BC. It will display AD year or BC year. Okay. So 2 care of sys date, comma, you can write AD or you can write BC. No problem. Anyone you can write. Current year is AD year or BC year. Current year is AD year or BC year. Okay, AD years. Okay, we are in AD years. Okay, BC means before Christ. Okay, so before Christ, BC means before Christ. Okay, जो जीसस क्राइस्ट है ना उससे पहले. Okay, so AD years. So now we are in AD years. So today's date is AD year. Next, listen. In the initial classes, already we discussed that date also contains the time value. Date also contains the time value. From the date, if you want to get the hours value, use HH. HH means it gives. Okay, for example, we are writing like this: 2 care of sys date, comma HH we are giving. It gives time. So current time is what? 10:1. Current time is, for example, 10:1. Okay, 10:1 15 seconds. Okay, AM. This is the current time actually. For example, I'm taking here. This is the current time actually. From this time, it captures only hours value. Okay, you can write HH or you can write HH12. You can write HH or HH12 also you can write. HH or HH12. So this is, it gives 12 hours format. Tomorrow, if you want 24 hours format, what we have to use? HH24. So it gives hours value in 24 hours format. For example, so as of now, according to this example, 10 only it gives. For example, if time is 2:30 p.m. If time is 2:30 p.m. Okay, so from this, it gives hours value as, what is hours value now? 14. 14. So in 24 hours format, 2 p.m. means what? 14. Okay. Next, if you want to get minutes value, MI. MI means minutes. Okay, sysdate, sorry, here hs24, hs24 sysdate comma mi means it gives minutes value. Okay, if the minutes value is 1, it gives 1 here. Okay, ss means seconds, so 2 care of sysdate comma ss means seconds. So according to this time, seconds value is 15. Okay, am or pm, you can use am or you can use pm, anyone you can use. So 2 care of sysdate comma pm I'm giving. Now current time is am time, so am it is returning. Okay, so these are the formats. Next, to get fractional seconds, ff means fractional seconds. So 2 care of, can date value hold fractional seconds? No. Timestamp can hold, timestamp can hold fractional seconds. So write this timestamp of f comma f, it gives fractional seconds. So fractional seconds, 6-digit value it gives. Okay, so these are the different formats. How many formats are over? Observe. So year 5 formats, 1 2 3 4 5, then 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22. So now you know 22 formats. Okay, next, w is there and ww is there. So w gives week number in the month, week number in the month it gives. So it gives week number in the month, whereas, just a minute, ww gives week number in the year. Okay, so ww gives week number in the year, w gives week number in the month. So in 2022 calendar, total 53 weeks are there. In the 53 weeks, what is the current week number we want to know? So 2 care of, so in the year maybe 52 weeks or 53 weeks may be there. In our 2022, 53 weeks are there. In the 53 weeks, 2 care of sysdate comma ww we are giving. So it gives weekday number, week number in the year it gives. Select 2 care of sysdate comma or ww I'm giving, ww from DL. Okay, what it is giving? 21. So this week is the 21st week in the year. Okay, so this is 21st week. Next, in this month week number we want to find. So this is the first week, second week, third week, 23rd falls under which week? Fourth week. So current day is falling under fourth week. So today is the fourth week. In this month, today is the fourth week. To find that, what we are writing here? 2 care of sysdate comma w. W means it gives weekday number in the month. Okay, so today is the fourth week in the month. 4 it returns. Okay, so now observe. We want to get system time. Select. See here. Select 2 care of date also contains time. So sysdate comma, we want to get time now. Hours, 2 digits. Minutes, 2 digits. Next seconds. Next AM or PM format we want. Okay, from dual we are writing. Now what it will display? System time it will display. Current system time is what? 10:07. Observe here. 10:07:45 a.m. it is displaying. So date also contains the time value. To get time value from the date value, we are writing format like this. HH means hour 2 digits it is giving. MI means minutes 2 digits. SS means seconds 2 digits. Okay, AM PM anyone you can write. PM or AM anyone you can write. So current time is AM time. So it is giving AM here. Next, if you want to get date hours value in 24 hours format, 24 also you can write. At that time we will not use AM PM from DL. So this is the time value in 24 hours format. So like this we can get the time value from the date. Okay. Now I want to know current century. To get current century, to care sysdate comma use. Current century is what? 21st century. Okay, current year is AD year or BC year? I want to know. Sysdate comma BC I'm writing. Current year is AD year or BC year? AD. So it is giving AD. Observe. AD year. So like this, we can know century number. Next, quarter number. To get quarter number, what we have to use? Q. Q means quarter number. Observe here. Q means quarter number it is giving. 2. Okay, next we want to get week number in the year. So current week number we want to know in the year. So in the 2022 year, current week is 21st week. Okay, so current week is 21st week. In the January, how many weeks are there? Observe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 weeks. So 6 plus here 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 weeks. Okay, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, sorry. That is taking, okay, 7 days per week. 7 days per week. Okay, 7 days per week. So according to that, current week is falling under 21st. Okay, so next, if you want to get week number in this month, we are writing like this: sysdate comma W. W means weekday number. So current month is May, first, second, third, fourth. This is the fourth week. So to get weekday number in the month, use W. To get weekday number in the year, use WW. So these are the total 24 formats I have written here. Not only these, many formats are there. These 24 formats are important. So now here 24 formats are there. I already told Oracle SQL is memory based. We have to remember, we have to follow that one. Now, our requirement is we want to display employee records along with hire dates, display hire dates in India date format. So India date format means DD, MM, YYYY. In this format, we want to display. So date 2 digits, month 2 digits, year 4 characters we want. Okay. So hire dates we want to get in this format. This is our requirement. Now, what we have tried? Select employee number, name. Hire dates we want to get in India date format. So which function we have to use now? To care. Which column values? Hire date column values. First, what we want to get? Date 2 digits slash month 2 digits slash year 4 digits. From which table? Empty table. Okay. So I'm copying this. See. See here, it is displaying year value, hire date values in India date format. For our understanding purpose, little bit I'm modifying. Hire date we are displaying, and hire date we are displaying in India format. So date of joining alias name I'm giving. So little bit I'm changing here. See, observe employee number, employee name, hire date. In Oracle format, it will display default format. Here we are displaying the same hire date in India date format. Observe here how it is displaying. 17 December 80. It is displaying as 17/12/1980. So what we have written here, to care of DD, sorry, to care of hire date, to care of hire date, comma, DD slash mm slash YYYY we have written. So that's why it is displaying DD YYYY format. Observe. So in this way, we can convert the date formats from one place to another. To convert date values from one format to another, this toChar function is useful. We want to display the employee records. Next question. Display the employee records along with hire dates. Along with hire dates. Okay, display hire dates in US format. Now you have to tell this one. Oh, what we are right? Select employee number, e-name, comma, to care of hire date, comma, slash dd slash YYYY. Okay, from which table? From EMP table. That's it. This is the query. So I'm copying this. If you want to give any alias name, you can give like this, as DOJ. DOJ means date of signing. Okay, observe here. See, for December, it is displaying 12/17/1980. This is US date format. Is it clear? Next. See some more example queries. Listen carefully. Display the employee records. Display the employee records who joined in 1982. This is our requirement. Already we did this query, but at that time we used between and operator. What we have written here, if hire date in the 1982, what is the minimum value? 1st January 1982. And in the 1982, what is the last date? 31st December 1982. Like this we have written. So if we write like this, it becomes lengthy. So select star from EMP where hire date between. If you write like this, it becomes lengthy. Sometimes using operators is easy. Sometimes using function is easy. In such type of situations, instead of writing like this, just simply you can write. Instead of writing like this, simply use the function here. Okay, how to get year value? How to get year value from the date? To care of hire date. I want to get four digits year value. YYYY. Okay, if this value is equals to 1982, then display. Very simple. Instead of writing between and like this, this is the best way. Okay, tomorrow we want to display the employee records. So let me run this first. So first query I'm running. Observe here. Sorry. One. See, the employees who joined in 82, it is giving. Observe here. 9th December 82, 23rd January 82. So two employees joined in 1982. Okay, so those two records only it is displaying. Now instead of writing like this, instead of using between and, here we are using between and, instead of using between and, the same query we are writing by using two char. So select ename comma hire date from emp, where two char of hire date, from the hire date extract year. If this year value equals to 1982, then display the records. Observe here, only two records it is given. Okay, tomorrow our requirement is now our requirement is we want to display the employee records who joined in 80, 82 and 83. Now can we use between and now? Can we use between and now? If you want to use between and, you need to write many between ands here. Two between ands you need to write, because those are not sequential years. Okay, if you want 1980, 1981, 82, 83, then you can write between and. What is the minimum date here? 1st January 1980. And what is the maximum date here? 31st December 1983. Like this you can write between minimum value and maximum value. Like this we can write. But now we want 1980 employees records, 1982 and 83. Now can we use between and like this? No, because 1981 we don't want. So in such type of situations, if we want 1980, 1982, 1983. Okay, if you want to get like this, what we have to write now? Between, if you want to use between and, between 1st January 1980 and 31st December 1980. Okay, hire date between 1st January 1980 and 31st December 1980, or hire date between, okay, minimum value in the 1982, 1st January 1982 and 31st December 1983. So how many between ands you are writing? Two between ands. Hire date between 1st January to 31st December 1980, or hire date between 1st January 1982 to 31st December 1983. So multiple between ands we are separating using or. It is becoming complex. Observe. So in such type of situations, simply you can write like this. Our requirement is we want to display the employee records, who joined in 1980, 82 and 83. This is our requirement. What we have to write? Select ename comma hire date. Okay, so hire date we are displaying like this, two char of, sorry, hire date from emp, where, okay, two char of get extract year 4 digits from the date. What we have to write? Hire date comma y. Okay, if this value is equals to 1980, or want to check. Okay, or two char of this year value is equals to 82, or checking, or this year value equals to 83 or not, we are checking. Now so it is looking little bit complex. Observe, every time we are calling function, so 3 times function will be called, so 3 times code will be executed. Code execution speed, performance will be degraded here. 2 times you are calling function. So in such type of situations, to avoid multi-equality condition using or, we have to use one operator. What is that one? In operator. So instead of writing like this, use in operator. So if this hire date value, year value in this list 1980 or 1982 or 1983. Observe here, now it is becoming simple. We are not using many between hands. We are not writing multi equality conditions using or. Okay, so just simply we are extracting here one time only. We are comparing with some list of values here. That's it. Okay, now I'm copying this. So it displays the employee records who joined in 80, 82 and 83. Observe here the implies, sorry, copy this. Observe the implies who joined in 80 it is displaying, 82 it is displaying, 83 it is displaying. Is it so? Because write this. So what is happening? So we have written like this, where what we to care of hire date, comma, y. This value equal in this value in list we are giving as 80, 82, 83 we are giving. So now from this hire date, it captures 4-digit value. What is the 4-digit value? 1980. Is 1980 existed in this list or not? It will check. Is 1980 existed in the list? Yes. This record will be displayed. So here it extracts 4 digits here value 1981. Is it existed in the list? No. Here extracts 4-digit value 1981. No, not existed. Here also 1981 not existed. 1981 not existed. 1981 not existed. Here 1982. Is it existed in this list? Yes. This record will be displayed. Okay. Is it clear? Next. Now, sometimes we want to display the employee records based on the joining months. Display the employee records. Display the employee records who joined in January, November and December. Who joined in January, November and December. This is our requirement. We want to display the employee records who joined in January, November, December. How we have tried? Select employee number, employee name, hire date from EMP, where to care of hire date, comma, in January means 1, November means 11, December means 12. That's it. From the hire date, we are capturing the month number. If month number is equals to 1 or 11 or 12, okay, it displays the records. Observe now, I'm copying this. So all these implies. Observe all these implies joined in December, November and January only. Observe. Okay, the implies who joined in January, November, December only it is displaying. So what is happening here? Let me explain. Select hire date from EMP. So what is happening? Try to understand. We are writing like this. To care of hire date, comma, in 1, 11, 12. So first hire date is this one. From this, it is capturing month number. December means what is the month number? 12. Is 12 existed in this list? Yes. So this record will be displayed. Next, 20th February. February means month number 2. Is 2 existed in the list? No. This record will not be displayed. Okay. Next, April. April means 4. 4 existed in the list? No. September means 9. 9 existed in the list? No. May 5 existed in the list? No. June 6 existed in the list? No. December 12 existed in the list? Yes. December will be displayed. November 11 existed in the list. It will display like that. So based on the month we are displaying. Next, display the employee records. Who joined on Sunday? This is our requirement. Display the employee records who joined on Sunday. What we have tried? Select star from. Select star from EMP where to care of hire date, comma. Okay, you can use three formats here. You can use D format you can use. So D means what? One means Sunday, two means Monday, like that. Okay, dy means Sunday it will give. Okay, Sunday, Monday, like this it will give. DAY means full weekday name. Sunday, like this it will give. Okay, you can use any one among these three formats. D or DY or DAY. So now I'm using these three formats now. Observe. Hire date, comma D we are using. Hire date, comma D. So D value should be equal to 1. Like this you can write. Or observe here. Next. Select star from EMP where to care of hire date, comma dy. Okay, dy equals to SQL. Okay, for example, if you are writing capital dy, you must compare with capital SUN only. It is case sensitive. String comparison is case sensitive. Okay, next. For example, we are writing like this. What we are writing here? Format I am giving DAY. What we are writing here? Sunday. If you write like this third query gives what? This third query gives what? Third query gives no rows selected. But there is one employee is there joined on Sunday. Okay, this first query displays the employees who joined on Sunday. Second query also displays, but this third query displays no rows selected. Why we have to understand? This is important. Listen. See here, I'm writing like this. Select star from EMP where to care of hire date, comma D I'm giving. What you write? Okay, so actually that record we deleted. So let me check Monday. Monday means 2. Okay, on Monday who joined? Martin joined. Martin joined on Monday. Okay, now observe same query we are writing like this. Select star from EMP where dy equals to what we have right now? MON, Monday. Okay, Martin joined on Monday. Is it displaying the record? Yes. Can we use D? D means D equals to 2 we are comparing. dy means MON. Okay, so if we are writing the format in small letters and we are writing in capital letters, what it is giving? No rows selected. But on Monday, one employee joined or not? Yes. Martin is there, but why it is not giving? Because you are comparing with capital MON. If you want to compare with capital NON, we have to give dy in capital letters. Okay. Now, for example, we are writing like this. We are writing DAY. DAY means we are comparing with Monday. Okay. This is small letter format. With small letter Monday only we are comparing. But then also still it is giving no rows selected. But Martin joined on Monday. It is not displaying. Why? Why, sir? Because listen. This to care function returns If Sunday, what it returns, Sunday 3 spaces it returns. If Monday, it returns Monday 3 spaces. If Tuesday, in the Tuesday, how many characters are there? 7 characters are there. 2 spaces it gives. Means for every weekday name, how much size it is taking? 9. Sunday means 9 characters. Sunday 3 spaces. Monday 3 spaces. Tuesday, okay, in the Tuesday 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 characters are there. Okay, sorry, here uh, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 characters, 2 spaces, 9. Okay, if you take Wednesday here, Wednesday is having 9 characters, so no spaces will be there. Wednesday 9. In all weekday names, Wednesday string length is maximum string length. Okay, actually Sunday means 6 only. 6 plus 3, 9. Monday means 6 only. 6 plus 3 spaces, 9. Tuesday means 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 2 spaces. So Wednesday, 9 characters are there, no spaces. Like that, for every weekday name, it returns how many characters? 9 characters. So here, this toChar function is returning what now? Monday 3 spaces. Is Monday 3 spaces equals to Monday? No. Here 6 characters are there. Here how many characters are there? 9 characters are there. Is Monday 3 space equals to Monday? No. So that's why it is not displaying the record. This is the problem here. What we have to do? We have to remove these right side unwanted spaces. To remove right side unwanted spaces, which function we have to use? Rtrim function. Using rtrim, remove right side unwanted spaces. That's it. Okay. So observe, he want to display employee records who joined on Monday. So if we write like this Monday 3 spaces. It is displaying Monday 3 spaces servers. In all weekday names, Wednesday is having 9 characters. This is the maximum string length. For weekday, they have taken fixed size. So for every weekday, size is 9. If Sunday 3 spaces, 9. If Friday 6 characters plus 3 spaces, 9. If Saturday, in the Saturday, how many characters are there? 3, 6, 7, 8. 1 space. Saturday 1 space. So like this, for every weekday name, it is returning 9 characters. For Monday, it is returning Monday 3 spaces here. We want to remove these right side unwanted spaces. So what we write here? Rtrim. Rtrim of call this function. That's it. So what we are doing is simply here we are calling rtrim function. Observe here, rtrim of this value we are giving. So this, if when this function is returning Monday 3 spaces, that Monday 3 spaces, in the Monday 3 spaces, 3 spaces will be removed. So it compares with Monday. Observe here, is it displaying record or not? See, when we use rtrim, it is displaying the record. Why we are using rtrim? Did you understand this point? Next, last example. Display the employee records who joined in. Display the employee records who joined in first and fourth quarters. First and fourth quarters. First quarter means January to March. Okay. Fourth quarter means October to December. October to December. So the employees who joined in January to March or October to December, we want to display. What we have tried? Select start from EMP where toChar of hire date, comma Q. Okay, 100 comma q equals in 1 comma 4. So the employees who joined in first quarter or fourth quarter, it will display now. Observe here. See, these many employees are joined in first quarter and fourth quarter. If you see the month values here, okay, December, fourth quarter, first quarter, December, fourth quarter, November, fourth quarter, January, first quarter, December, fourth quarter, December, fourth quarter, January, first quarter. So that is in first quarter, fourth quarter, it is this. So lines we can use to whatever the result given by, these are important. Formats are important. Okay, and remembering them is also very easy. Okay, year, month, day, hour, minute, seconds are important. Hours and minutes are important. So to care converting date to string is over. Tomorrow I'm stopping the session here. Tomorrow we discuss how can we convert number to the string. Today what we covered, date to string. Date to string we converted. Tomorrow we discuss number to string. Okay, thank you everyone. See you tomorrow.